The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Vacuum offers a truly hands-free cleaning experience with its all-in-one docking system that automatically washes, dries, and empties the mop with a large dust bag capacity, which can hold up to 7 weeks of dust. The device features double brushes and a powerful suction of 6,000 Pascals, ensuring efficient cleaning of debris, hair, dust, and more from both hard floors and carpets. The upgraded VibraRise 2.0 mopping system improves the mopping zone and provides high-speed scrubbing, effectively dealing with stubborn stains from soda to dried-on spills. Unique to this model, the liftable brushes and mop provide maximum cleaning effectiveness for different tasks such as carpet cleaning and hard floor cleaning without leaving stains after a clean. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Vacuum uses advanced 3D structured light and infrared image technology for obstacle avoidance, identifying objects on the floor and bypassing them in both bright and dark environments. In addition to a user-friendly app, voice control support for Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts is also provided, allowing for easy control and customization of the cleaning process.